Can this answer really be 42? Most students look at this question and think the answer should be 4.2. But that is completely wrong. In this lesson, you will learn the simple trick that makes decimal division much easier. And by the end of this video, dividing decimals will finally make sense. Welcome back to the decimal series. In the previous lesson, we learned how to multiply decimals. Today, we will learn how to divide decimals correctly. Avoid common mistakes. And understand why the decimal point moves during division. Let's begin. Many students are comfortable dividing whole numbers. But when decimals appear, they become unsure. Where should the decimal point go? Can we move it? And why does dividing by a decimal sometimes make the answer bigger? Today, we'll answer all of these questions. The most important rule in decimal division is simple. Before dividing, make the divisor a whole number. The divisor is the number you are dividing by. Once the divisor becomes a whole number, the problem becomes much easier. Let's divide 4.8 by 0.6. The divisor is 0.6. Since it is not a whole number, we need to change it. Move the decimal point in the divisor one place to the right to make it a whole number, 6. But remember, whatever we do to the divisor, we must also do to the dividend. So, 4.8 becomes 48. Now we simply solve 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. So, 4.8 divided by 0.6 equals 8. Now, let's solve a more advanced example. The divisor is 0.25. We need to make it a whole number. Move the decimal point in the divisor 2 places to the right. Do the same to the dividend. Now the problem becomes 750 divided by 25. Much easier, right? 750 divided by 25 equals 30. So, 7.5 divided by 0.25 equals 30. Have you noticed something interesting? The answer is larger than the original number. Many students find this surprising. But dividing by a number smaller than 1 often makes the answer larger. Let's understand this visually. Think about what division really means. It basically asks how many groups can fit. For example, if the group size is 1, then 7.5 contains 7.5 groups. If the group size becomes smaller, like 1/2, we can fit more groups. 7.5 divided by 0.5 equals 15. And if the group size becomes even smaller, like 1/4, we can fit even more groups. 7.5 divided by 0.25 equals 30. So, when we divide by a number smaller than 1, the answer often becomes larger, because we are counting how many smaller groups can fit into the original quantity. Now let's learn a powerful shortcut. When dividing by powers of 10, we simply move the decimal point to the left. Each zero moves the decimal point 1 place to the left. That means 1 place for 10, 2 places for 100, 3 places for 1000, and so on. Notice that we are not dividing the numbers, we are simply moving the decimal point to the left. This shortcut is used frequently in science and measurements. Many students simply ignore the decimal in the divisor and divide 8.4 by 2. That gives 4.2. But that's incorrect. We must first make the divisor a whole number. Move both decimal points 1 place to the right to make the divisor a whole number. Now solve 84 divided by 2. The answer is 42. Now, it's practice time. Pause the video and solve these questions. Remember the golden rule. Make the divisor a whole number first. Here are the answers. 3.6 divided by 0.4 is equal to 9. 5.4 divided by 0.9 is equal to 6. And 1.2 divided by 0.03 is equal to 40. Here is the next one. Pause the video and decide. Now match your answers. First equation is false. Second one is true. And the last one is false again. Because 6 divided by 0.5 equals 12, not 3. Now, the final one. Can you solve this without a calculator? Pause the video and try. Here is the solution. Move both decimal points 2 places to the right. The problem becomes 84 divided by 7. The answer is 12. So, today we learned some important rules and tricks of decimal division. Make the divisor a whole number. Move both decimal points equally. Then divide normally. And of course, remember the shortcuts for power of 10. In the next lesson, we will learn how to round decimals and estimate answers quickly. These skills are extremely useful when exact answers are not necessary, and can help you check whether your calculations make sense. So, make sure to watch the next lesson in this series. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Core Concept Academy, where math and science become clear, simple, and logical. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.